time for Artzafizzle number 7, which is a gesture drawing. And a gesture drawing is a very rapid sketch of something that you're trying to draw. It's basically a very, very, very quick study of something, and you're just capturing it on paper. A lot of times artists use gesture drawings when we're drawing people in action. But for today, we're just going to stick with still life objects. So here's how it goes. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose a still life object for this project. So I am choosing good old Toothless here. I've got my Toothless dragon. He's been hanging out in the classroom all day. He's going to be the subject of my gesture drawing. So I'm going to take the still life object that I've selected. I'm just going to set him there in front of my sketchbook so that I can see him as I'm drawing. Now, I said earlier that a gesture drawing is a very rapid sketch. The quicker the better. This could be the fastest sketchbook assignment you've done for the entire 6 weeks of art. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to try to capture Toothless's overall shape. So this is his head. This would be his body. His first leg kind of comes down like this. His second leg is here. He's got a third leg there. I cannot see the fourth leg on the other side. He has a tail that comes back like this. And then there is a wing. Okay? This is the gesture of Toothless. This just gives the basic structure of the object that I'm drawing. You almost might call it a very quick contour line sketch, where I'm just really taking the outline of my still life object and I'm creating a quick sketch of it. Okay, now after I've done the gesture, I'm going to go back in there and I'm actually going to add some of the details of Toothless. Again, in a very quick fashion. All right, I want to add all the details, but it doesn't have to be super detailed. So he has an eye here, he has another eye here. I can kind of see like that. Then I can go in and I can actually start to look at, well, his leg is actually shaped a little different. And you'll notice that when I go back in and I start redrawing things in my gesture drawing, that I'm providing a little more weight to the lines. And what I just mean by that is I'm making the lines a little bolder and a little thicker. This just basically is a way to say, okay, well, this is what your final, the final thing looks like. It doesn't remain as that sketch. Okay. The wing, I really messed up the wing. The wing has an extra little line there like that. Okay, this foot has some claws to it. This tail does go back to a point, but then off the point there are some things. So I guess little spiky things, I don't know. Okay, and that looks to be, oh, I can see just a portion of his other wing over there like that. And that's it. That is my gesture drawing of Toothless. You'll notice that I did not fill the page, but it's still pretty big, pretty good size. Fills up a good chunk of space. And that's it. Choose anything in your house. And try to challenge yourself. Don't pick like something simple like a pillow. Okay? Challenge yourself. But gesture drawing is Artzafizzle number 7. Only one more left.